Okay, jump ball between number 6, Abalog, and number 18, Abagnaya.
Agnaya versus Alog for the Fiesta Barangay Asyad sa
First ball, Barangay Alog.
Official referee of this game.
1-1 number 16, 5 for 3, no good.
Kaba-kaba.
Outside.
Mr. Makasa.
Bola hiton, ball to number 20. Adeliana.
Bagon.
Sa side, number 9, Bagon to number 18, Tebrero. Pinawisyan, good for 2.
Porto by Tebrero. Nagaw.
Nakanarya, 2 minutes, 4-0.
4-0.
21. Pass to number 22 to number 16. May extend, arm extend. It's an offensive foul. Coming from John Tomera. Bingo. Size 10-0.
Bilyo.
Naya. Number 13 to number 3. Kaisek, umigot, kinaliwa. May whistle. Paulo number 9, Bagon. Makatumbas. First throw, good for 1. Second try, no good. Agawan sa rebound. Nakuha ng Barangay Alog. May pito. Foul number 22, Video. 14 to big shot. Cross pass to number 3. Peak fire, no good. Rebound by number 9, Agnaya. Pass to number 20. Long pass. Nama outside. Mula mananatili ng Agnaya. 15 to big shot. Number 13, no good. Outside. Number 3, inbound to number 13. Stall by number 9. Nahan mga nakapula. Pasa ka numero 13, La Canaria. 20 to big shot. Number 20 to number 9. Sa gitna kayo, Belio. Wala. Tapik sa labas. Kay Bagon, 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Nakabot. Foul number 6. Makatumbas. First try. No good. Second try. Yes, basket. City kontra uno, number 13, no good. May tulak ka. Ano nangyari? Foul on. Number 6, makatumbas. Reserve Army. 20 to mag-shot. Odeliana, number 13 to number 18. 15 to shoot, still by number 16. Daraglaga, nanto na kanumadyo, number 13. Lumabas. Rebound by number 9 na Agnaya. Paso number 20. Belio, again. Bangi ang kasungo. Sabol ni ball. Number 16 and point number 13.
Island flag pumasok.
Number 3. Number 3 pars, Nod, rebound by number 22. Agnaya. Pass to number 20. To number 9. No look pass, outside. No look pass nga. Number 16. Demalen. Humadjaw, long two, no good. Rebound, number 20, Age. Ataas, yung kapasa. Number 16 to number 2. Dimalhen, didiskarte. Wala. Rebound number 20. To number 18. To number 13. No good. Number rebound. Sama lang number 3. 45 seconds. 40. 2 points. Number 22. Birong Boy. 35.
Last 35 seconds for the first
30.
quarter.
18 to shoot. 25. 10 to big shot. Number 22. Pinakoro.
Foul.
Foul.
Back to the ball game. Last 18 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Free throw by Bilyo.
First try by number 22.
Wala.
Lumabas. Second try. No good again. Rebound by number 2. Dimalhin. 15. 10. 5.
Time. That's the end
Time for the first period.
of first quarter.
Partial score, City 5, Tibor Hagnaya.